Welcome! In this tutorial, I will show you how to add and update clinician credentials in HomeHealth Soft. After logging in, I would like to add credentials for my clinicians. Select Users in menu. Now simply click on the user you would like to add credentials. Click Credentials tab. Look for the type of credential you wish to add, and click Enter Credentials button. Fill in the required fields for the type of credential. Expiration date. Alert days before credentials expire. Then upload documents. Click Save Changes. Your credential is now uploaded into the system. How to renew or update a credentials. Locate the expired credential you'd like to update. Then click its Action button and select Renew from the drop-down menu. Fill in the required fields. And click Save. If you wish to view past or inactive credentials, go to the Credentials tab and locate the plus drop-down button on the left side of the credential you wish to view. Then click on it. A drop-down of all archived credentials will display. Remember, all this information is available under the videos in menu. Thank you so much for watching.